All right, let's look at our unit plan and see how HMH is integrated. So stage one looks the same. There's just been updated vocabulary there for you in Spanish and English, and it tells you what the bold and italicized words mean. The TEKs look different. They're organized differently. We are going to teach the foundational skills lessons directly from our Into Reading HMH program, and in a few videos I'll show you where that is. The reading is in our stage 3 lessons, and it is actually PISD lessons as well as reading workshop lessons from HMH, so you have a choice of what instruction you use. The grammar or editing standards are taught through the writing workshop lessons. If you are proficient in Jeff Anderson or Empowering Writers, you're welcome to use those resources as well. But these editing standards will be included if you follow the writing workshop lessons in stage 3. And our composition or writing workshop is also in stage 3 of the unit plan right here. And those are taken directly from the writing workshop lessons in HMH. So let's scroll down past our TEKs. Remember, so many literacy TEKs are integrated. That's why there's so many of them. Here in stage 2, we give you lots of resources that you could use for formative assessment, as well as the unit assessments for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. And then we get to stage 3. That's really our meat and potatoes of our unit plan. You'll notice there is a grammar scope and sequence, but it just lists the lessons aligned to the TEKs that will be taught in this unit, again through the writing workshop lessons. You'll also see a foundational skills scope and sequence that is aligned to the foundational skills lessons from HMH that we will be teaching in this unit. What we did is we took the 12 modules in 1st through 5th grade and the 9 modules in kindergarten, and we integrated them into our unit plans. Because 1st through 5th grade has 6 units, we put 2 modules from HMH in each unit. So modules 1 and 2 are in Unit 1, 3 and 4 are in Unit 2, 5 and 6 are in Unit 3, etc., etc. In kindergarten, we split them up a little different. 1 and 2 in Unit 1, 3 and 4 in Unit 2, 5 and 6 in Unit 3, and then 7, 8, and 9 are each in our last 3 units. What you'll notice is there's a launch lesson routine that's the same every time, and it has a great way to teach vocabulary. You'll also notice there's a wrap-up routine every single time that helps you to wrap up your unit. The Into Reading and Reading workshop lessons are listed in the middle column. Those tell you the exact module and page number in which you can find those lessons in your Into Reading HMH resource. The writing workshop lessons are there also. There are 2 writing workshop modules integrated into each unit plan. I'll show you that the writing workshop is set up. Each module has 15 lessons every time, which is about 3 weeks worth of lessons if you do 1 a day. And so 2 of those fit into each of our unit plans because each of our units are about 6 weeks long. So now that you kind of know what all of these words and numbers mean, over here on the left, you'll see these are statements that come directly from the TEKs. And so these lessons are aligned to our standards. You may choose to use the Reader's Workshop lessons in combination with the HMH lessons. What we have just provided is all the lessons that are aligned to our TEKs, and these learning statements or descriptors over here that are appropriate for you to use for your students.